fake news Morio. So we got 3 species of orangutan. If you can hold 50 kilos, you can 10 times 5, 10 times. Yeah?
Is it a male or
This
female?
One? Ada penampakan? Apa? Jantan nggak di sana? Jantan. From all trees, yeah? They really like it because the shoot has a big feet. So they eat it for body.
Wow. He's holding it in his teeth. He's a multi-tasker. How do you sleep at this one?
Huh?
They sleep deeply. Deep sleep?
Up. Upside down.
Sometimes in the night
Wait.
they make it sound.
Oh.
Yesterday.
Oh.
Bye bye. Yeah, it's in the
It's a storm stock line. Storm stock guys.
Oh wow. Ah.
Okay. Now.
I saw it.
Now? Oh. Wow.
She's with the battery.
Oh. Wow. Have you got that?
Yeah, so the binoculars.
How do I do it?
Aim.
Yeah.
Oh.
And
There's one jumping on that tree.
Hmm?
So, over there, there's one jumping. Oh, it's gonna fly. No. Yeah. Same, yeah. Going to the other one.
Young of the birds.
Bee eater.
The birds.
Bird, bee eater.
Ah, you know, yeah.
Of course.
So that one is a herring group. So sometimes they
Oh. Wow, that tail is enormously long.
That's a self-belief monkey. The other one, guys, the male.
Male? Ah, this is the male?
Yeah.
Is he the leader of the group?
With their heart.
God, it's such a big nose. Wow.
That's yeah.
Wow.
That's like dark bluish color.
Yeah, this is the oriental kind.
Oh, wow.
Geil.
Look at more.
Hier steht.
Oh, oh.
Oh, stork. Wow. Oh, yeah.
Wow. Beautiful.
Wow.
He's very chilled.
Yeah.
But wow.
Does anyone else want binoculars?
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Oh, nice. Wow. Yeah. Oh. Marina, you want to check with the binoculars? Oh, this one is really fun.
Wow.
Oh my god. Look at this.
Wait. Oh.